guys, this is Darren Amato from Bandanas Online here in Flemington, New Jersey. And today I'm very excited to show you today's bandana for our client, the U.S. Senate gift shop. This is a special bandana for us because it's the very first bandana that we've printed on our new equipment capable of printing up to 10 colors on a bandana. And that's not just it. Not just 10 colors, but 10 colors off the edge. Check this out. This is not a 10 color bandana. This is actually a 6-color print for the U.S. Senate gift shop, but it profiles our capabilities of going off the edge of a bandana. Now, typically, when you do this, you have to do large runs. But here at Bandanas Online in Flemington, New Jersey, we can do a run of just 144 bandanas where the print goes completely off the edge. So if this is something that you're looking for, please consider giving us a call. I'll put the information at the end of the video.